So I get a call from a buyer. They found us locally by searching online and they looked at our reviews, which we're blessed to have a lot of really positive reviews online, and they wanted to come in and talk. They had gotten a quote from Rocket Mortgage and just wanted to know if we could match it or beat it. So I asked them, I said, have you gotten a quote from Rocket? And they went, well, yeah. And it was an email that had total cash to close and total monthly payment on it. I was like, guys, this isn't even an estimate. Like, you need an official loan estimate. So they asked Rocket for 3 days. Rocket refused to give them an estimate, saying that it was not possible. That is wrong. Every lender has the ability to send an estimate to you. So I told this borrower exactly what to say. I found another lender. They're able to give me an estimate. I'm going to go with them. I really appreciate everything you've done. Would you believe that within about 12 minutes, they got a loan estimate? Then they showed me the estimate and they're like, Josh, help us make sense of this. You're in a real bind. You are cash strapped. You had negotiated a 3% buyer's agent commission, but the seller is only willing to pay 2% of that. So you're responsible for the other 1%. They were taking a higher market rate in order to get a lender credit to pay for that 1%. Not only was there a 1% fee that the buyers would have to pay, there was also an $895 processing fee that the realtor also charged. So it's 1% plus $895. Rocket said, we're gonna cover that for you. I give them my loan estimate. It's about $600 more in closing cost fees than Rocket. And so the buyers were like, Josh, 600 bucks is the world to us right now. We don't know what to do. First of all, on Rocket's loan estimate, you will see they're giving a lender credit of $600. Didn't even cover the $895 fee. Didn't even get close to the 1% realtor fee. Rocket's response is, don't worry, we promise we will do this. We just can't show it to you. So I gave them a loan estimate where I showed it to them. I put the lender credit on there. 1% for the realtor fee and $895 for the processing fee. In addition, I found about $554 that I could easily find in mistakes that Rocket had made on estimating local title fees related to closing. So I was like, now our 600 bucks isn't even 600 bucks, it's like $46 maybe. And in addition, they're not paying your realtor fees, we are, and we're showing it to you in writing. Home buyers, don't fall victim for the trap of lenders that start telling you, trust me on this. Let's use the old saying, trust but verify. Go trust the person, but make them verify in writing with a legally binding document that says exactly what they're saying. So ultimately the buyer went with us. We were able to cover those fees, get them into the house, save them a lot of money.